Hi, I'm Han, and I'm going to turn these store-bought flowers into a bouquet. And these are the flowers that we have. We have some pinkish white roses, some secondary white flowers, and some greenery, but you should choose flowers according to your partner's colors. And then I got all of these at Trader Joe's. Okay, step one, we're going to prep these flowers. So I'm going to remove them from the plastic. Okay, next we're going to take any leaves that are on the bottom of the flowers. So like this part, you just take it off. We're going to separate the bunches of the secondary flowers. Going back to the main flowers, we're going to take out any bruised or miscolored petals. Step two, you want to grab some of the greenery and then roses on top. And then layer the white flowers in between them. Once you're done arranging the flowers, you're going to cut the bottoms so then they would be equal length. Next, we're going to tie the stems. So first, you're going to take a rubber band and go through half of the stems. And then wrap it around once, and then go back through that other half. Next, we're going to wrap the bouquet, and I have this paper bag that we also got from Trader Joe's, and we're going to open it and then rip the bottom of it. After opening up the bottom, we're going to cut down the middle of the side. Once the bag's opened up, we're going to cut 1/4 of it off. Next, we're going to fold the bag like so. Next, we're going to place the flowers in the middle of the paper, and then we're going to fold the sides. And then we're going to tie it with the ribbon. And that's how you make a proper flower bouquet.